Today, as a lot of people have spoken about what is inflation, why it is happening, so I will take what are the measures taken by government to work on it. Okay, first of all, government is working on subsidy. As you see, prices keep going up and down for the essential commodities. So government is planning to come up with a package, where like suppose onion prices. The onion prices used to be in the range of 25 to 30, if I am not wrong, and today the onion prices are 60, 70. So government wants to pump in money where this price remains stable throughout the year. So this is one thing what government wants to do. Another thing is government wants to create a platform for farmers where farmers can come directly into the market and sell the goods. So you see a lot of Raita Sante and all those kind of things are introduced in the market. So here what happens is you are cutting the middlemen, your holders. Okay. So here the adulteration also will reduce. So this is the second step what government is trying to take. And if you remember yesterday we were talking about granaries. Okay. In Patna, especially Bihar, there is a big granary, and if that is maintained correctly, it will meet the needs of whole world. Okay. So what government is planning is they want to cut this red tapeism. So with regards to this, they want to break this FCA, Food Corporation of India, into three parts. That is supply, supply, product, and channel. So in this way, they will cut the red tapeism and the goods will reach to the essential people in a correct manner. And next thing is what they also want to introduce is the well system. Well, what I say is Kua. Okay. So in Gujarat, if you see, this model has been introduced and it's been very successful because Gujarat always there was scarcity of rainfall. And what people used to do is there used to be a lot of suicide cases and people used to die due to starvation.